What are the top investment applications or platforms for immigrants? We get this question all the time. So if you do not have a social security number, you will need what's called an individual taxpayer identification number or ITIN in order to be investing. That is really the gateway to be able to be investing in the US with if you don't have a work permit, don't have status, don't have a social security number, that's how you do it. And there are three companies that we recommend that do accept ITIN numbers that all have strong reputations, are nationally reputable investment firms, and that tend to have some of the lowest fees, so it can be good options in that sense as well. So the three companies that do accept ITINs are Vanguard, Fidelity, and Charles Schwab. Um, there are probably many more as well, I would hope, but those are the three we can absolutely confirm that we also recommend for having good reputations and low fees. So I hope that's helpful for you to get started. If you do have any issues getting your account open with the ITIN, that's exactly what we help with. The main way we can support you is through our signature investing and wealth building program called Immigrant Finance School. You can learn more about it and directly enroll over at immigrantfinanceschool.com. And as always, if you have any questions for us, just leave a comment below or send us a message over on Instagram at immigrant.finance. We love hearing from you and we can't wait to support you in your investing journey. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.